We are preparing a cultural shift to find new ways of dealing with the crisis where we all are in.
There is a system that has come to a threshold because it has brought this world to a level of collapse.
There must be another possibility to live.
We said, let's try to make experiment how we can live together with all the people that we love. This village of lovers, how we called it.
The first group started and it was growing quite quick.
Everybody of us felt when we make limitations around love, then it will not work. And we will not really live together. After 1 week, we have competition, we are jealous.
When I came to Tamera, I suddenly had the opportunity to experience Eros with more than just one man.
And when that happened, I got scared.
Der Sündenfall besteht darin, dass der Mann anfing, die weibliche Quelle zu erkennen und zu erschrecken und zu unterdrücken. Hier ist eine Quelle der Gewalt, weltweit.
Humanity became afraid of the wild powers of life.
Reclaiming this energy in a new way is a political action. And even if we try to step out, all our societal structures are built on competition.
This is the basic of the patriarchy. I want to have your mine owning.
Throughout the whole history, there is a series of all kinds of utopian attempts at creating community, but you see a never-ending story of failures. We need to find a solution for the big, unresolved issue of eros, of love in humanity.
Tamera is really a community with a huge vision of shifting the entire culture of this planet from one of war to one of peace.
It's a place where a culture really based on trust, on transparency, is being born.
We live beyond our individual realm, beyond our realm of friends and family, to understand that we are planetary citizens.
The matriarchal culture, the patriarchal culture. And now something new wants to appear.